Well, hi everybody, we're back here in the shed doing some more progress here. As you can see, I've got all of the fairing off. The fairing on these things are quite intricate and there's a lot of them. So just for my own peace of mind, something else that I've done is the VIN number for this thing. It does match the registration number, and the number plate on this thing. I'm going to have to colour in one of the numbers there. Somebody along the line there had rubbed out one of the numbers on here so it can avoid speed cameras. Another little update that I'm going to do is on the gear lever here, the rubber thing was missing, so I'm just going to put a new one on there. So that was actually quite hard to get on there, but there's a new toe piece there for the gear stick. And the other thing I'm going to add is a fork stem yoke. Let's see where that goes. When I have ways going or navigation or whatever, my phone can just sit in there, and there's something else I'm going to do with that, but I'm going to move on to that shortly. So that's the fork stem yoke installed, and that's got my phone holder on there, so that's something else we're going to do. Now the progress that I've made over here on the fairing, just rubbing the fairing down, this is the original colour. This piece here is the original colour. This piece here from the right hand side is silver, that's a donor piece, and that's the original colour, so that will need to be cleaned off, all that dust and stuff like that. But a lot of the fairing, this one here needs 5 places where it has cracks, needs to be plastic welded. There's some cracks here that need to be plastic welded, and some of them as I go as well. Here it is, this piece here which goes on this side, there's a hole in the fairing here where they've had some sort of switch and stuff like that, and I've got a plan for that, which includes, let's put this down here, which includes this USB port is going to go in there. So what I need for that is, sorry I'm holding the camera all wrong, I need a blade bit a little bit bigger than that. So you might be wondering how I'm going to get something like this into something like that without it flying apart and destroying everything. And there is a method to my madness. With a hot glue gun, I have glued a block of wood into the back, so there's a solid base there, and using the scientific principles of iometry, I'm going to find the center and mark a hole or a center point, and hopefully drill this out without destroying it. Right, so we've made a nice tidy hole. So with that done, this is going to sit in there like that, and so I can have USB power available for my phone or whatever. So I'll take that out for now. So that's that. Now over here, all of the nuts and bolts for all of the fairing, tank, each side are in their own individual bags, so they're not lost. Some of the fairing is already away at the plastic welder, so when that comes back I'm going to give it another go over with the 400 grit wet and dry paper, and the tank is going away to somebody who specializes in tanks. So that's where I'm up to at the moment, just working through all the bits and pieces. That little piece of fairing over there, putting the hole in so I can put the USB plug in there. This is where I need it to be right now, so it's just a matter of working on the rest of the fairing, the tank, getting that all finished off with 400 grit, and as I say, the other bits and pieces are already away getting plastic welded. One of them, the other side to this one, had 5 cracks in it, and the side panels over here, they had cracks and dings and scratches and stuff like that, more so from the other side where it's definitely been in a slide. So that's where I'm at. Stay tuned, and work is underway. I've had confirmation from Display Associates who are doing the decals, so they're ready to move forward with that and reproduce all the decals, so that's good. And yeah, we're making progress. Stay tuned.
That was terrible! Horrendous! I'm offended! I'm appalled! So what are we gonna do? Oh, what else? Email it to everybody we know! Good idea.